టీచర్స్ కపుల్ టాక్ ఛానల్ లక్ష్మణ్ ఏకాంబరం చూస్తూనే ఉండండి. టీచర్స్ కపుల్ టాక్ ఛానల్ మొదటిసారి మా వీడియో ఫాలో అయ్యే వాళ్ళు బెల్ ఐకాన్ సెట్ చేసుకోండి. ఆల్ నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో మేము ఏ వీడియో చేసినా కూడా మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. అన్ని విషయాలు ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మీకు అవగాహన కలుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. మొదటిసారి వీడియోని ఫాలో అయ్యే వాళ్ళు తప్పకుండా బెల్ ఐకాన్ సెట్ చేసుకోండి. ఇక ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా మనం ఈరోజు వీడియోలోకి వెళ్దాం. మనం కొల్లేరు లేక్ యొక్క స్వీట్ వాటర్ లేక్ అంటారు దీన్ని. ఈ కొల్లేరు లేక్ గురించి మీకు ఈరోజు వివరంగా తెలియజేయబోతా ఉన్నాను. ఫ్రెష్ వాటర్ లేక్ ప్రొవైడ్ ద న్యాచురల్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ద వరల్డ్స్ పూరెస్ట్ పీపుల్. ఆన్ సచ్ లేక్ ఈజ్ కొల్లేరు విచ్ ఈజ్ నో ఆర్డినరీ wetland. It is one of the largest freshwater lake in India, existing between West Godavari and Krishna districts of the state of Andhra Pradesh. The attachment of the lake extends 6,121 kilometers. The lake Kolleru discharges its excess of water into the Bay of Bengal through the twisty channel called Polleru, which is about 65 kilometers long. Northwest, the kolleru wetland receives huge quantity of nutrient-rich sediments from the flood plain of these rivers. In November 1999, the government of Andhra Pradesh declared the Kolleru lake is a bird sanctuary. This lake is hosting 193 species of birds in a variety of flora and fauna, including medical plants. It attracts migratory birds from the northern Asian and eastern European between the months of October and March. It is esteemed 20 lakhs of birds per year. The lake was also important habitat and estimated 20 millions of populations. These largest sweetwater lake has not only shrunk in size but faced great threat due to the pollution in the last 3 decades as revolved by the satellite pictures. The decrease in water area and muddy groundwater into the lake resulted flooding. So, as a result, the water of the lake turned more alkaline in nature, turbid nutrient rich, low in dissolved oxygen, demand of oxygen and high in biological oxygen demand. It is known as BOD. Water-borne disease like diarrhea, typhoid, amoebiasis and the others are said to be common among the local inhabitants who are the unaware of the state of pollution in the lake water. Vector-borne diseases also increased. Prawn and fish have been found out to be adapted by diseases, leading to some farms being abandoned. The land thus the abandoned are useless for agriculture too. Let us observe the following table. Decreased migrate birds, population of the flora and fauna, pathogens, eutrophication, toxic contamination, siltation, flooding. The Ministry of MOEF means the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Government of Andhra Pradesh constituted a committee of Operation Kolleru to protect the lake. The objective of the program is to bring back the ecological balance of the kolleru lake, which is a gift of nature. In this video, I will explain to you what about kolleru and what is the benefits of the surroundings in near kolleru. Which birds are migrating every year here. Everything okay, I will explain to this video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share to others. Give me please your opinion as a comment. Thank you one and all. Follow this channel, Teachers Couple Talks.